Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we got your Fresno chiropractor here, Dr. Jeff Stoltenberg, out in Fresno, California. This is day 2 of Advanced Chiropractic Seminar, and we've been covering histories, examinations, biomechanics, biophysics, neurophysiology, neuropathophysiology, histories, and comprehensive exams. And this is a clinical 3-day hands-on seminar, and I just got my second adjustment from Dr. Stoltenberg this afternoon, and now I'm going to adjust him. Now, I've been doing this for a long time, 40 years, so it's second nature for me to do it because I've developed the neural pathways. These guys are just learning, so take it easy on your comments on their videos because you know what? This is a whole new adjustment experience for them. And it takes a little while to practice it and get used to it. You have to develop their own neural pathways in doing it. But he's doing a great job. He's a good adjuster, and he's already helping a bunch of people out in Fresno, and we're happy to invite him in and have him part of Team Ring Dinger. So let's show him how we're going to adjust you. This is his second ring dinger of the day as well. Take a look at that, man. You squared off like a military man. Let's do this one first. Okay, slide up this way, down the inch. There you go. Do you wear scrubs in the office?
Yes.
They're comfortable, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's the best way to judge.
Easy and inexpensive and
People were wondering why I was wearing scrubs because they're easy to work in.
yes,
I mean, this is a physical job.
it is. And I'm moving all the time, and having shirts that were tucked in were hard.
And I don't feel like wearing yoga pants.
Or ties.
Yeah, exactly. There we go. Yes, sir. You see, I just get the tension and hit it. There's no hesitation whatsoever.
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay, let me have this one. That's all of it.
Yeah, that
Tap
one's-
up on that one. If I don't get them on the first one or two, I don't try to force it because then you'll hurt more.
Yes.
Let me help you up sideways. There we go. Okay. And Dr. Stoltenberg's been practicing for 30 years. He's a Palmer
Plus.
West
Plus.
chiropractor graduate, right?
Yes, yes.
Palmer puts out the best adjusters in the profession, I think. That's my professional opinion. I'm sticking to it.
Of course, you graduated from there.
Well, yeah. I got 2 of my patients up there learning to be chiropractors right now. In
Is that
fact,
right?
you worked with them on my equipment business.
Oh, okay.
Tristan and Jeremy.
Went, yeah.
Yep. Yes, sir. Boy. This has been moving better the last couple times.
Yeah.
Chiropractors need adjusting just like you do because we're living, breathing, and moving in gravity and working in it, bent over all the time. There we go, good. Okay, let's turn it back. Plus, this is pretty hard work, actually.
Well, that's the thing.
Wear and tear on the body.
It's a lot of wear and tear.
Mm-hmm.
My shoulder's been better, by the way.
If you're actually adjusting people, it's a lot of work. If you're just putting people on E-stem and hot packs and roller tables, there ain't much work to that. There you go. Okay. There we go. There you go. Good. Okay. Let's sit you up this way. Yeah, just your adjusting abilities that you've done over the past 30 plus years, you've got some shoulder creaking around there
I
you're
do.
having pain in.
I do. And this shoulder over the last 2 days has gotten better. I
Yep.
mean, it's not well, but it's better, I tell you.
It's moving in the right direction. See how I grabbed that tendon
Yeah.
and pull it up and rotate it?
Uh-huh.
There we go. There is a method to my madness in everything I do, even the words I say. I've been trying to get these Sesame Street people watching our videos to learn the word of the day, neuroplasticity. And that's in all the newest scientific research on chiropractic. It's really cool stuff.
The latest stuff.
Yep. New Zealand Chiropractic College and Australian Spinal Research Foundation publishing some of the most significant research ever done in the chiropractic profession, wouldn't you say?
Yes.
Because I've exposed you to it over the last couple of days. It's the real deal, isn't it?
It very much is.
We got Dr. Stoltenberg on Google Scholar here today. Showed him stuff that was published from Heidi Horvick out of New Zealand. All right, let's have another look at that.
He even went to Taste of Texas.
That's right.
Oh, tastes
Good
actually
food,
pretty
huh?
good, yes.
So, Dr. Stoltenberg, you've been here 2 days now. How would you describe our seminar and our office procedures and adjusting to the chiropractors who might
First
be
of all,
watching us?
the doctor is very open, so he's giving you all that he's got. He's telling me everything, and it's not like he's holding back. I appreciate that.
A lot of information being disseminated.
but yeah, got to assimilate it all too, right? So, but I've seen a lot of things with all the patients they've had coming in and the responses that they've had. Like I said earlier, that's amazing to me. It was amazing to the patients. That's even better, right? Amazing. And to see that, and then to put myself into this whole equation and doing this, I'm excited, right? I'm excited about it. So
Puts the spark back in there.
Yeah.
Gets the fire to get back in practice.
I'm 60. I know I look 30, right? I know.
Yeah.
But I've been doing this over 30 years, and so this has been fun for me, invigorating to me, right? So
I'm still the old man in the room.
Yeah.
I'm 63 right now, but I love practicing now just as much as, in fact, more than I did when I
yes,
graduated.
I can see how. I can see why that.
Because the results that we see are just stimulating.
And they're like quick, right? It's not like it's just taken 6 months to do, right?
Yeah, I don't see people 3 times a week for 6
No.
months. I see them 3 days in a row, sometimes twice a day, but they get faster results.
That's right.
And you've been hearing that from some pretty severe patients
Absolutely.
too.
Some patients that I kind of didn't think would respond that well, but they responded pretty darn well.
Yeah. And even after their chiropractors told them I was going to kill them doing this adjustment.
He's a murderer.
Yeah. I don't have any heads on my trophy wall that I show. They're all in the back office.
Oh gosh.
But it's amazing to see these people come in that are crippled up, not doing so well, and come out of here and are walking because they were supposed to walk after the fact. Wow, it's amazing. So that's exciting.
To hear a lot of chiropractors say they think I was Hannibal Lecter. Put the puppy in the basket, or you get the treatment.
The lotion.
The lotion in the basket, or you get the hose again. Remember that?
Yeah.
Silence of the Lambs.
Silence of the Lambs.
Yeah.
Oh my
Jodie Foster.
goodness,
Yeah. But I'm not Hannibal Lecter. I'm Greg Johnson, DC,
And
Texas licensed chiropractor.
I'm not Jodie Foster.
Oh, darn. That's
Okay.
Because he wouldn't want to get me in any kind of conspiracy. So listen, we've had a great time working together as professionals, and that's really something else that I like about teaching the seminars and working with the docs is you get to have interprofessional communications, which are very stimulating as well. And I learn things all the time too, so I'm not just disseminating information, I'm taking in all this information that I'm getting from these guys too.
I'm in his office with him, and he's on the computer looking at research.
Well, thank you for sharing your
Thank you.
experience with everyone, Doc.
Thank
We're
you.
going to do 2 more tomorrow, so stay tuned. This is your new team ring digger doctor in Fresno, California, Dr. Jeffrey Stokenberg.
Yep.
See you next
See
time.
you next
next
time.
time.
Yep.